Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about the configuration of JMS connector in Mule 4. We have already discussed about its general tab. Now we are going to discuss about consumer and producer tab of this. Let me go to the consumer tab. As the word suggests, it is going to consume. There are two things. First thing is the consumer type, which is by default, which we can change if you want to set it to topic, but it's better to set in the connector itself when we are connecting. We have already seen it. We can also specify selector of operation here, and we can also it's not recommended to do it here. We can do it in the in the consume operation or the listener operation itself. I'll show you after talking on this. And here's the option for max redelivery. Max redelivery means that how much time you want to redeliver it. If zero means that you don't want to redeliver it, and if you put here -1, then it means you are allowing it to the message to be redelivered in finite time. So it's a number, by the way, so you have to put a number here. If you go to the producer tab, there is priority. Whenever you put a message in the topic or queue, the priority will be given. For time to live means that how much time will it be in the queue or a topic before it's getting discarded. Like I put a message in the queue on a topic, it will live there for a particular time until it is discarded, right? If I do not put anything here, it will live infinitely. Say if I don't want a message timestamp, I can disable it. If I don't want message ID, I can disable it. Then there is a delivery delay. If I want some delay in my delivery, so I can type there. And if I want a particular type of JMS, so we can specify it here as well. So I did not change anything, so I'm going back. And I was talking about the two things, which were the consumer type, so we can specify it here, and also the selector thing, so we can specify it here as well.